to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do the current trend which is viral on YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to do the I tried following someone's makeup tutorial, and the makeup tutorial I'm going to do is Kylie Jenner's. I'm going to follow her makeup routine video which she uploaded on Snapchat few years back, and let's see how it comes out. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. She used the Makeup Forever foundation, so I'm going to use this foundation from Loreal. I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil Spike from MAC. Concealer under her brows, so I'm going to use this Fit Me concealer.
Run away, in time we'll find a place that we call home. They can try anything.
She's setting her eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't have that, so I'm using a normal compact powder. It's translucent.
Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we
Use a matte black eyeshadow on her eyelids like an eyeliner.
imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
NARS concealer under her eyes and to highlight the key points. So I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer. Using the same Laura Mercier translucent powder, so I'm going to use this sugar comp. Then she used her Chanel powder, so I don't have Chanel, so I'm going to use my MAC Studiofix powder in the shade NC40. I'm going to set the rest of my face using this powder.
Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna.
Fuller bronzer, so I'm going to use my Makeup Forever bronzer. Contouring.
Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
Coral black. So I'm going to take this Maybelline Colorshow blush. She uses a separate brown mascara for her lower lashes, so I don't have brown mascara, so I'm going to use the same mascara on my lower lashes too. Then she used a bronzy eyeshadow on her lower lash line, so I'm going to use one.
Open your eyes and see.
Kylie Cosmetic lip liner, so I don't have that, so I'm going to use the Maybelline lip gradation in the shade Mauve one. Okay, she is using the Champagne Pop highlighter. I'm going to use this Nykaa highlighter.
Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
I'm going to use this Estee Lauder gloss. I hope you all like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.